Hello, welcome to Scouting Out of the Box. My name is James Cassell, Cub Master, Pack 1884 out of New Bern, North Carolina.
Hello, and I am Daniel Cassell, Beard Cub Scout with Pack 1884, and today we are going to make a toolbox.
Just show them the inside of the toolbox.
Yes.
With doors. So, to make this, you will need to purchase the Lowe's Toolbox kit on Tintaroo. That's what we're going to start with. Inside that kit is all the stuff you see laid out here. We have our front panels, back panels, bottom, doors, nails, sandpaper, end caps, and dowel. And you will have paint and a paintbrush. You will also need, it's the main handle right here. You will also need a hammer. Please put the hammer down. And safety glasses. Got your safety glasses?
Yep.
Got our safety glasses. So the first thing we have to do is we have to start by sanding all the rough edges on all of these little pieces.
Safety glasses on.
So safety glasses on. And then you grab your sandpaper. Now that we have finished sanding, we can take our safety glasses off for the time being. Now that the sanding is complete, now would be the time that if you wanted to, you could paint all the sides so that it could look like this, or you could pick whatever colors you wanted to paint the dowel rod, the doors, the front and back panel, and your side panels. In order to try and proceed this video on, we're not going to paint ours down, we're going to actually start with the assembly. So the first thing we need is we need the side panel here that has the word Lowe written on it. Okay, and then we're going to take some nails. Grab a nail. You see that partially drilled hole?
Right here.
Yeah, so you want to start that in that partially drilled hole. There you go, so it'll partially go in. So we need another one, and there's another hole on that same panel.
Right here.
Yep, and we put another one in there. Now, we put our safety glasses on. Put our safety glasses back on.
Yep, safety glasses back on.
So you kind of have them pushed in, so they're just kind of sitting there. And then all you want to do is just lightly tap it. You do not want to drive it in yet. That's good. Just lightly tap them in so they stay. Okay? So they should not be poking out the back yet. And then we take the other side panel that has no name on it, and we're going to put two nails in that side panel. So now that we have our two front and back panels that have nails in them, then we're going to find the bottom, so this is your bottom. So you line it up so that it lines up with this, and you're gonna sit it on here.
I'm going to use this one first.
Okay, you kind of need to stand it up so that you can hammer the nails in. Now that that side's done, then we're going to get the other side. So now we need to locate our side panels, in which there are 6 holes in each side panel. So we are going to start 6 nails in the side panel. We have all 6 nails in one side panel, and Daniel here is going to work on putting 6 in the other side panel. We just set that off to the side for now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the side panels to our partial box here. So, take side panel, line it up with the edges. Okay. And then we're going to take our hammer. Still got our safety glasses on. Okay, so now that we have the front and back and side panel on, now we want to grab one of our doors. Okay, so I'm going to set it down like this, and we're going to put the post that you see here, put this post in the hole to the left.
Put it right here.
Yep. And then you're going to want to hold that with your finger real quick. And then you're going to put your other door, here. You want the doors so that the little opening in the door faces the middle, so that you have something like this, so that your doors will open like that. So you hold on to your doors with 2 fingers, and then you're going to take your other panel, and you're going to line up those same holes, the left and right hole with the posts on the side of the doors. Alright? So once you get those in, then you need to line up the sides. We're going to take one of our little end caps here. Here's your end cap.
But I only have one.
We'll fix that. Okay. So then we're going to start one nail in the end cap. One nail started in end cap. And then on the end of your dowel rods, there are little pre-drilled holes. So you're going to stick this into your dowel.
And then push.
And then you end up with this, with your little end cap. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that. You want your doors open when you do this. You're going to take your dowel rod, slide it through to the other side, and get it in both holes, and then that will keep the doors from falling inside like that. And you can close the doors. Now, so we found his missing end cap, so we can start his end cap now. So go ahead and do just like we did. Go ahead and start your nail in the end cap, and then you can just kind of put that right there. And we'll turn it up so we have some support, and then bring it on in. There you go. You have a completed toolbox. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yep. So, thank you for joining us on Scouting Out of the Box today. I hope you enjoyed making your own Lowe's toolbox. And remember, keep on scouting.